For most of you who's asking how I put this crepe paper with that crinkled look and how I cut it, I'm gonna show it to you now. This is the crepe paper. We're just going to cut it like this. Cut from here and then from here like that, and then cut in the middle, and then 1, 2, and here also 1 and 2. There you go. It's how you cut it and how you will attach it in the piñata, getting that crumpled look. Most of you are also asking what this is. This is a cut rubber glove fingertip. It's just to protect my finger from the hot glue gun. It's not the one I use to get that crumpled look. I'm gonna show you how to do it. After you put the glue, you can use your bare finger. You are just going to slide it back a little bit like that. It's hot, that's why I'm using this one. It's just to protect my finger from this hot glue gun. Let's put on the other side and attach, and use this one, just sliding it a little bit backward like that, and cut out the excess. Also going to cut this and this. Now let's do another one for you to see it clearly, just like that, and slide back a little bit like that. You can use your bare hand, but it's hot, so you can use anything to protect your finger from this hot glue gun. And use this one so that it's not hot. There you go. Let's do another straight one. Let's put the glue here and here, and also here and here, and put it like this, and slide a little bit backwards. Here you go. And then you are just going to do it repeatedly until you cover all the piñata. This is what I'm doing to every piñata I made. Here you go. Let's go hyperlapse.